Hello world. In this video, I will show you how you can fix Epic Games Launcher error code 00009 on PC. So without further ado, let's get started. All you need to do here, first, you need to completely close Epic Games. So the first step, press X if the Epic Games is opened, and then, on your system tray as well, go and turn off Epic Games, right? And the next step, what you need to do here, you need to, on search, right? Run, and then on the new window here, you need to write %localappdata% and hit OK. Then you need to look for Epic Games Launcher. Click on it. Then you need to go to Saved. And then, once you unsaved, you should see We Cache folder here. And you just need to delete that particular folder and launch Epic Games as well again. And look, if the problem persists on search, you just need to go to Epic Games. Launcher, right-click on it, and run as admin. And then your error should be fixed, right? So yeah, that's pretty much it. And if I help you out, please press like button and subscribe for more. Take care. Bye.